The remaining Mentos. Bum, 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 bum.
You're still going?
Well, I stopped it and now I'm going again.
I'm still going.
Got nothing to lose now, so. Excuse me?
Got nothing to lose now.
Yeah. Do the honors?
Oh, no.
Alright, I don't know if it'll work the second time, but we can try it.
Yeah.
Especially since the bottle's like half empty, not even half empty.
Yeah? Should we just go
Yeah,
for it?
I'm good.
You're recording this one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Why not?
Do it like this one.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Hi.
I think it's safe to come here.
It's not working anymore.
Super lame.
We're doing the pop and the Mentos thing, and now it's not working.
Oh.
What if I explode in my hand?
Guys.